Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 10th October 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you receive one direction from the one Father. It is called an undivided direction. It is by following this undivided direction that you become deities. Question. What main thing have human beings forgotten in this game of the maze? Answer. Having gone into the game of the maze, they have forgotten their way home. They don't know when or how they can return home. The Father has now come to take all of you back with Him. Your effort now is to go beyond sound to the sweet home. Song is, O traveler of the night, do not become weary. Your days of happiness are about to come. Essence for Dharana. First is, refine your intellect by having remembrance of the Father. Keep your intellect constantly full of this knowledge. Constantly remember the Father and the home, and also remind others to do this. Second is, finish your criminal lives in this last birth and make them civil. Be very cautious about criminal eyes. Blessing for today. May you constantly be a destroyer of obstacles and an embodiment of solutions by having the stage of a bestower with the power of accommodation. Details are, you receive the blessing of being a destroyer of obstacles and an embodiment of solutions on the basis of two things. 1. Constantly being aware that you are a child of the bestower and that you have to give to everyone. It is not that you will be loving when you receive regard or love. You have to give. 2. Become an ocean of the power of accommodation for yourself and for everyone who has a connection or relationship with you. By having these two specialities, you will be filled with good wishes and pure feelings and become an embodiment of solutions. Slogan is, make truth your companion and your boat will never sink. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. When you have the natural practice of giving good wishes and auspicious blessings with your mind will remain busy and it will automatically step away from any upheaval that takes place within it. You will then never become disheartened with your efforts as you sometimes do now. There will be magic.